Hi, I'm Chris from CodeReviewVideos.com, and in this video we're going to cover how to log in using your username or email address when using FOSUserBundle. So this is quite straightforward. I just want to show you. So we've got our login form. We're not currently logged in, you can see at the bottom. I've styled it slightly differently. This will be coming up in a future video, but you can see if we try and log in, we get some nice little flash thing going on. We can log in using our code review user with a password of test, and when we do that we get logged in and everything looks good. So if we just go ahead and log back out, then again if we try and log in, what might be nicer here actually is just to set everything to be so that if we're not logged in, when we just get redirected to the login form. So let's just go to security, and then let's add in another route here. So we'll say the role of user is required to hit anything. So these work down from top to bottom, just a slight detour here. But what we're doing is if we hit login, anything that matches login exactly, we can be anonymous or not logged in. Again, for register and resettings or password resets, all those three links, all those three URIs, or however you want to think about it, we don't need to be logged in. We can get to them whatever. Admin, then we need to have role admin, and anything basically beginning with admin, we need to have role admin to access. But anything else, including anything starting with a slash, or so literally anything else that's not covered by these, it's going to work from top to bottom. We need to have the role user. So let's just try again. And this time what we should do is get redirected immediately to our login form. So we can no longer just directly access the route. We're going to get immediately logged to our login form. Now you can see here that the bootstrap styles that we've applied, the placeholder specifically, if we jump across and look at our login template, the placeholder that we've put in says email address. Now let's try that. So my email address, chris@codereviewvideos.com, that's for the one that we signed up with back in the first video. If we try and log in, we can see it says invalid credentials yet. Our login form is kind of telling us that that should work, but again, just to prove that code review does actually work just fine. And what we can do here is we just need to jump across to our security.yaml, go into this section, providers, FOSUserBundle ID, and then just literally as simple as adding in _email at the end there. And then if we go back, we're going to need to log out now, but let's just give it a whirl. And then this time we can do Chris@CodeReview. And these little stars here, by the way, is LastPass. Now, whether that's going to continue or not for me for the future, I don't know if you saw recently LastPass got acquired. So yeah, but ignore that. That's nothing to do with what I'm doing here or the style of this form. And then we should be able to log in using our email address. So that was how to get in using either your username or your email address for login.